The Infinity Professional Router Table Fence is constructed from high-quality materials, including heavy wall anodized aluminum extrusions, stainless steel and brass hardware, and exterior-grade Baltic birch plywood. Our fence provides almost unlimited adjustability without being overly complicated. Each face can be adjusted independently, ensuring the fence is always perfectly square to your router table's surface. The independent infeed and outfeed faces ensure perfect alignment and allow you to perform joining operations. The included spacer bars create either a 1/16 or 1/8 inch offset with no guesswork and are stored along the back edge of the fence when not in use. The top fence rails provide a mounting location for the included rules marked with both imperial and metric graduations, and provide mounting points for the included bit guard. These rails also allow the use of many router table accessories like the Infinity Professional Coping and Crosscut Sled, Infinity Router Fence Flip Stop, and Jessom Clear Cut Router Stock Guides. The tall mounting knobs ensure the fence is easy to lock in place and mount to any table with either 3/4 by 3/8 miter T-tracks or 1/4 20 T-tracks that are 17 inches on center. The dust port is compatible with most 2¼ or 2½ inch dust collection hoses and fittings, and the microdot faced plycore fence faces are made from the same material as all Infinity router table tops, ensuring unmatched performance and durability.